Hello everyone, after a long time welcome back to my channel. I try to explore the mystery of the universe, and the today topic is really interesting. That is theory of everything, the holy grail of physics that seeks to unify all fundamental forces and particles into a single frame. As you may know, there are the four fundamental forces that govern the behavior of matter and energy in this universe. They are like gravity, electromagnetism, weak and strong nuclear forces. Each force has its own distinct behavior, and scientists have spent decades trying to find a way to bring them together. The theory of everything is like a jigsaw puzzle, where each force is a piece that needs to fit into the bigger picture. The challenge is to find the missing pieces and assemble them into a coherent whole. Physicists around the world have been working on this puzzle for decades, using experimental data, mathematical models, and creative thinking. Some of the most brilliant men in the history, like Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, and Richard Feynman, have contributed to the quest for the theory of everything. The theory of everything is the ultimate goal of physics because it would explain everything we see around us, from the tiniest subatomic particles to the large structure in this universe. It would be a grand synthesis of all our knowledge of nature, and it would have far-reaching implications for technology, medicine, and philosophy too. The ultimate goal of theory of everything is to merge all four forces into a single, elegant equation that describes the behavior of the universe at all scales. This unified theory would be terms of human intelligence and a milestone in the understanding of nature. One of the most ambitious projects in the search for the theory of everything is the Large Hadron Collider. The world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator is a massive machine that smashes subatomic particles together at high speed, producing new particles that may shed light on the mystery of the universe. The Large Hadron Collider is like a microscope that allows us to see the tiniest structure in the universe. By studying the collision of particles, we can probe the fundamental forces and particles that makes up the cosmos. It's a fascinating time to be a physicist because we are on the brink of discovering new phenomena that could change our understanding of the universe. The theory of everything is not only a scientific quest, but also the philosophical one. It raises profound questions about the nature of reality, the limit of human knowledge, and the meaning of existence. It invites us to contemplate the cosmic land and our place in it. The theory of everything challenges us to think deeply about the fundamental question of existence, such as what is the nature of space and time, and what is the ultimate cause of the universe. Is there a purpose to life? It reminds us the science and philosophy are not separate domains, but complementary way of understanding the world. That is for today videos on the theory of everything. We hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you have any query and comment or any other things, suggestion, please don't forget to comment in my comment box, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.